Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I have my Facetory monthly sheet mask subscription. It always comes in this nice little bag. I love this, it is resealable. And I literally just pulled the tab off to save a little struggle on camera, because the struggle is real for me when it comes to that. And I will give you a little bit of backstory on Facetory. Facetory is a Korean sheet mask subscription that is monthly. The Forever Fresh kit is what I receive, and it is 4 masks, and it is $8.90 a month. And the 7 Lux, you receive 7 masks, and that is $19 a month. They also have a Lux Plus Box, which is seasonal. It's $49.95 a season, where you get 10 to 12 skincare and hair care products, and they always promise a high value of at least $200. And like I said, that is seasonal. And I will check. I do believe they're still selling their winter box, if I'm not mistaken. And they have other items. You can buy single, face masks. They have their Facetory skin fridge, which I would love. One of these days I'm going to get it. And, they sell a whole bunch of other stuff on their site too. So you get a card each month, and it tells you that first 2 gives you the sheet masks that are there, and 3 and 4, which we will use that so that you guys I can give a little description. So the first one here is Facetory Everyday Lemon Brightening Mask. It has a value of $3.50. And this has citrus lemon fruit extract. And this ingredient contains vitamin C to help brighten the skin, fade hyperpigmentation, and neutralize damage caused by environmental factors. So that's a nice mask. And masks you cleanse and tone prior to using. Apply for the 10 to 15 minutes or per the instructions, and remove the mask. And then any remaining use, pat into your skin, down your neck, décolleté. You can put it on the backs of your hands, your arms, your elbows, wherever you want to. Ooh, this packaging would get me in a second to buy. And this is by Claire Peach Crush Cocktail Mask. And it says, this delicate sheet mask will plump up skin and with a burst of hydration. And this has pineapple fruit extract in it. And this is a natural source of AHA, a gentle chemical exfoliating ingredient. It helps smooth out skin texture and brighten the skin. Value of $2. So that's a great mask. Oh, this one's cute too. Seen these before, similar. And this is by who's the brand? It's called Make P Rem. So I'm not sure what that is there. Let me see. This has Nordic berry extract in it. Anti-aging ingredient, improves skin elasticity and revitalizes skin for a radiant look. And ceramide NP. And this ingredient helps protect and maintain the skin's barrier while retaining moisture. And this is a value of $4. So this is an expensive one. Now this one is great for your skin. Avocado. And this is by Farm Stay. And this is real avocado essence mask. And this contains the avocado fruit extract. This ingredient reinforces the skin barrier, brightens dull spots, and moisturizes the skin. Okay. So here it says, don't leave masks on for over 30 minutes. Actually, if you leave them on for longer than the 30 minutes, it actually starts to pull moisture out of your skin instead of all that goodness that you just tried to do. Use the remaining to moisturize the neck and shoulders, décolleté, the back of your hands. And then I learned this from reading the tips on this card, which I never did prior to this. Apply a moisturizer after masking to lock in the essence from the mask. I don't necessarily think I would do that. Because if I was doing a mask, I don't know at what point, I mean, I might actually, my thought process was prior, why do I need a moisturizer if this is adding moisture and all that stuff? So sometimes I didn't do that. And it says, want to upgrade to our 7 Lux plan. And if you're already getting the 4 masks like I do, use code FRESH2LUX for 20% off your first box. And that's all listed at the bottom of the card there. And I usually take a picture of the card. And that last mask was $2.50. So I'll take a picture of the back and the front of this. And I usually do post that. So that is Facetory for January. This is one of these subscription boxes. It's always behind a month, which I am well aware of, so I'm happy with that. And I love getting masks. You should only do about one a week. So here's my monthly masks that I use, and I always want to getting way more, so that's why I always share in giveaways with my sister and niece and friends. I don't want these sitting around too long. I'm just trying to think if these have a date on them. Going to be expires 9/29. No. Yes, September 29th of 2020. So these are good for, you know, another 8 months or so, 7 months. So it's probably 8 months. They're not going to be around that long. They're going to be used in the next month or two, or I give them away in a giveaway. But don't let things just sit and sit and sit and sit. You're not going to use it. Give it to somebody else. Donate it, or quickly use it. And this way you're not, one, becoming a hoarder of product, and things aren't going bad on you. I would never use anything on my face that was close to expiration or had expired, because you have no idea what the changes in the formula have done. It's going to make it burn your skin. It's going to be less effective. I don't want to use something less effective. I want the full effect. So that is Facetory for January 2020. And thanks for sticking to the end with me. And as always, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.